We have the spring ring here. So the spring ring, the washer, the spring itself, and the sleeve. Where's the ball? And we have the other spring here with holding the ball, you can see, and normally the ball must be on the top of the spring, not on the bottom. I will try to show it. Maybe that will help. Okay, still cannot get out the ball. I will take out the spring. Yep. And we have the spring and the ball out. I will take the new ones. You can see that this spring is deformed. It not look normally like that. Okay, now you can see the difference. This is the old one and this is the new one. And yeah, you can really see the difference in them. So now mounting the new one. You can see we have the spring, it pushes up, everything up, and I have the ball. Almost not lost it. Okay, I have the ball, and you can see that the spring is pushing it up. Now it's able to hold a bit. I will put a sleeve here. Now you can see that the bit is holding. Of course, I'm lifting it and the bit goes out. The bit holds, goes out. So now we are taking our steps and putting the spring, putting the washer, and mounting the spring ring. I will use a screwdriver here. Just make sure that the spring ring got in a groove here and will not fall out. Okay, where's our bit now? Yeah, it's holding, it's releasing.